Hello everyone. Our today's topic is all about the practical configuration of wireless router. So in this video we will configure practically our WLAN device, or you can say wireless access routers for client connectivity. Okay, so first of all we need to learn about the basic things, like for configuring a wireless router or your Wi-Fi router, what are the things that are needed for us? So first thing that we need is public IP address, which is known as WAN IP address or internet IP. Second is your private IP address, and third is your Wi-Fi name, which is called as service set identifier, and fourth thing is named as password. So password are also two types: WEP, wide equivalent privacy, and WPA, wireless protected access. In WPEP, wide equivalent privacy, there is a less security, but in WPA we have more security of our wireless device. So let's start with wireless configuration. So I'm going to move on to Cisco Packet Tracer. Here we have design. So just for example, feel it like this. This is my ISP, which is going to provide us internet. So this is my wireless device here. So first of all, to configure Wi-Fi, I have to configure my ISP interface. So I'm just going to show my port labels. So I'm going to give IP address to fast Ethernet F0/1, which is connected to switch, and the IP address is 200.0.1.255.255.248 because two PCs are connected there. So it is no shit. And also I'm going to provide F0/0. F0/0 is the IP address which is going to connect with you on the wireless router. So I'm using here IP address 100.0.0.1/30. Okay, so F0/0 IP is 100.0.0.1.255.255.252. So this is the public link for your Wi-Fi. Okay, so it means if you are going to configure wireless router, then your public IP range is 100. Okay, so I'm going to give IP address to the PCs 200.0.0.2, 200.0.0.1, okay, 248, 200.0.0.3, 0.0.1. Okay, so the LAN interface is configured. Okay, now move on to my Wi-Fi device. So for connecting Wi-Fi, we need laptops, we need PCs or anything. But first of all, if you are going to configure this, go in graphical user interface. So you can connect your wireless device with three types: automatically DHCP. If I will configure DHCP here, then you don't have to configure your Wi-Fi public IP address. And you can go with PPOE. Many companies provide usernames and passwords, so you can go at this. But today I have to configure my wireless device with static IP address. So my IP address is 100.0.0.2, gateway is 255.255.255.252. Sorry, this is the subnet mask, and gateway is 100.0.0.1. If you have DNS, then you can choose DNS. Otherwise, let it be for this task. So here you can see network setup, router IP. So this is my wireless router IP address, which is already configured with 192.168.0.1, and 255.255.255.0 is the subnet mask for this. So this is your public IP. This is your private IP. Let's save this configuration, and after that go to the another wireless tab. You can give here network name, like for example XYZ Wi-Fi here. So save setting, and the wireless security is WPA2. xyz@rajwv. I'm giving password like xyz@Rajeev. Okay, so save this setting. Now all the four things are configured in my Wi-Fi. So if all the things are configured, so this is now it is ready for the connect with laptops and computer. So but in Cisco Packet Tracer you have to do one thing. You have to remove the physical LAN interface and add here wireless port on, and same as in our laptop PC, like if without changing the port you are going to access, it will be provide error. Then in physical off the interface, remove this interface and add the wireless interface here. Okay, now click on PC wireless connect. You will get here XYZ Wi-Fi connect, and I am putting the password xyz@Rajeev connect. So you can check with the help of radiations, it is going to connect with Wi-Fi device. XYZ Wi-Fi connect, password connect, and private IP address is automatically assigned to this, and public IP address is assigned on wireless router. And the main and important thing is this: when you are going to connect your Wi-Fi laptop with outside, it is successful. Okay, first time ARP entry is used, so packet is failed. Okay, now you are pinging from inside to outside. It is pinging, but you are not able to ping outside to inside because inside the network is private network. So you can ping from your private network to public network, but any public person cannot able to connect with your private network. Okay, so in this we can provide securities also. If you want to provide firewall security, or you want to any like restrict your any website, you can give it here the URL like facebook.com, google.com and another thing. And if you want to change your router password admin into another, then you can also choose this, and after that you can check the status of your router. So this is all about wireless router configuration. Thank you.